Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Freelancer.com work profile, enabling you to access global freelance jobs quickly and efficiently. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started and maximize your freelancing opportunities. Step 1. Sign up on Freelancer.com. To begin, visit Freelancer.com and click on the Sign Up button. You can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Fill in the required information and create a strong password to secure your account. Step 2. Complete your profile. After signing up, you'll need to complete your profile. Click on your avatar in the top right corner and select Profile. Here, you can add personal information such as your name, skills, and a professional photo. A complete profile increases your chances of getting hired. Step 3. Select your skills. Freelancer.com allows you to choose specific skills relevant to your expertise. Be sure to select skills that accurately represent your abilities. This step is crucial as it helps match you with suitable job opportunities. Step 4. Write a compelling bio. Your bio should clearly outline your experience, skills, and what you can offer to potential clients. Keep it concise yet informative. Highlight your achievements and what sets you apart from other freelancers. Step 5. Set your hourly rate or project price. Decide whether you want to charge by the hour or on a per-project basis. Research similar profiles to gauge competitive pricing. Setting a fair rate will increase your chances of winning projects. Step 6. Verify your identity. To gain the trust of potential clients, it's essential to verify your identity. Freelancer.com provides methods for verification, including uploading a government-issued ID and a proof of residence. Follow the instructions provided in your profile settings to complete this step. Step 7. Browse and apply for jobs. Once your profile is activated, start browsing available job listings that match your skills. Apply for jobs that interest you by submitting a personalized proposal, highlighting your relevant experience and how you can help the client. Step 8. Stay active and build your reputation. After successfully completing jobs, ask your clients for reviews and ratings. Maintaining a positive reputation through feedback will help you land more projects in the future. Consistent activity on the platform is key to becoming a successful freelancer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more useful content. Happy freelancing!